Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to go, I would like to go, I wanted to go, I need to go, I needed to go, I should go, I have should gone. I have should go, I had should go, I must go, I can go, I could go, I will be able to go. I would go, I used to go, I will go, I am going to go.
Bismillah, I want to come. I would like to come. I wanted to come. I need to come. I needed to come. I should come. I should have come. I have to come. I had to come. I must come. I can come. I could come. I will be able to come. I would come. I used to come. I will do. I will come. I am going to come.
Want to do. I would like to do. I wanted to do. I need to do. I needed to do. I should do. I should have done. I have to do. I had to do. I must do. I must do. I can do. I could do. I will be able to do. I would do. I used to do. I will do. I am going to do.
I want to make, I would like to make, I wanted to make, I need to make, I should make, I should have made, I have to make, I had to make, I must make, I can make, I could make, I will be able to make, I would make, I used to make, I will make, I'm going to make.
I want to take, I would like to take, I wanted to take, I need to take, I needed to take, I should take, I should have taken, I have to take, I have to take, I had to take, I can take, I must take, I can take, I could take, I will be able to take, I would take, I used to take, I will to take, I am going to take.
I want to give, I would like to give, I wanted to give, I need to give, I needed to give, I should give, I have to give, I must give, I can give, I could give, I will be able to give, I would give, I used to give, I will give, I am going to give.
Bismillah. I want to get, I would like to get, I wanted to get, I need to get, I needed to get, I should get, I should have gotten, I have to get, I had to get, I must get, I can get, I could get, I will be able to get, I would get, I used to get, I will get, I am going to get.
I want to eat, I would like to eat, I wanted to eat, I need to eat, I needed to eat, I should eat, I should have eaten, I have to eat, I had to eat, I must eat, I can eat, I could eat, I will able to eat, I would eat, I used to eat, I like it, I will eat, I am going to eat.
I want to drink. I would like to drink. I wanted to drink. I needed to drink. I need to drink. I needed to drink. I should drink. I should have drunk. I have to drink. I had to drink. I must drink. I can drink. I could drink. I will be able to drink. I would drink. I used to drink. I will drink. I'm going to drink.
I want to sleep. I would like to sleep. I wanted to sleep. I need to sleep. I needed to sleep. I should sleep. I should have sleep. I have to sleep. I had to sleep. I must sleep. I can't. I could sleep. I will be able to sleep. I would sleep. I used to sleep. I will sleep. I am going to sleep.
I want to wake up, I would like to wake up, I wanted to wake up, I need to wake up, I needed to wake up, I should wake up, I should have waken up, I have to wake up, I had to wake up, I must wake up, I can wake up, I could wake up, I will be able to wake up, I would wake up, I used to wake up, I will wake up, I am going to wake up.
I want to work, I would like to work, I wanted to work, I need to work, I needed to work. I should work, I should have work. I have to work, I had to work, I must work. I can work, I could work, I will be able to work. I would work, I used to work. I will work, I am going to work.
I want to study, I would like to study, I wanted to study, I need to study, I needed to study, I should have study, I had to study, I have to study, I must study, I can study, I could study, I could study, I will able to study, I would study, I used to study, I will study, and I'm going to study.
I want to learn, I would like to learn, I wanted to learn, I need to learn, I needed to learn, I should learn, I should have learned. I have to learn, I had to learn, I must learn. I can learn, I could learn, I will be able to learn. I would learn, I used to learn, I will learn, I am going to learn.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to taste, I would like to taste, I wanted to taste, I need to taste, I needed to taste, I should taste, I should have thought. I have to taste, I had to taste, I must taste, I can taste, I could taste, I will able to taste, I would taste, I used to taste, I will taste, I am going to taste.
I want to say, I would like to say. I wanted to say, I need to say, I needed to say. I should say, I should have seen. I have to say, I had to say, I must say, I can say, I could say, I will be able to say, I would say, I used to say, I will say, I'm going to say.
I want to wash. I want to wash. I would like to wash. I wanted to wash. I need to wash. I needed to wash. I should wash. I should have washed. I I have to wash. I have to wash. I must wash. I can wash. I could wash. I will be able to wash. I would wash. I used to wash. I will wash. I going to wash.
I want to look, I would like to look, I wanted to look, I need to look, I needed to look, I should look, I should have looked, I have to look, I had to look, I must look, I can look, I could look, I will be able to look, I would look, I used to look, I will look, I am going to look.
I want to hear, I would like to hear, I wanted to hear. I need to hear, I need to hear, I needed to hear, I should hear, I should have heard. I have to hear, I had to hear, I must hear, I can hear, I could hear, I will be able to hear, I would hear, I used to hear, I will to hear, I am going to hear.
I want to listen. I would like to listen. I wanted to listen. I need to listen. I needed to listen. I should listen. I should have listened. I have to. I have to listen. I had to listen. I must listen. I can listen. I could listen. I will be able to listen. I used to listen. I will listen. I am going to listen.
I want to say, I would like to say, I wanted to say, I need to say, I needed to say, I should say, I should have said, I have to say, I had to say, I must say, I can say, I could say, I will be able to say, I would say, I would say, I used to say, I will say, I am going to say.
I want to tell, I would like to tell, I wanted to tell, I need to tell, I needed to tell, I should have told, I have to tell, I had to tell, I must tell, I can tell, I could tell, I will able to tell, I use tell, I will tell, I am going to tell.
I want to speak, I would like to speak. I wanted to speak, I need to speak, I needed to speak. I should speak, I should haven't spoke. I have to speak, I had to speak. I must speak, I can speak, I could speak. I will be able to speak, I would speak, used to speak, I will speak, I'm going to speak.
I want to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk. I need to talk. I needed to talk. I could talk. I have to talk. I had to talk. I had to talk. I must talk. I can talk. I could talk. I will be able to talk. I would talk. I used to talk. I will talk. I am going to talk.
I want to ask, I like to ask, I wanted to ask, I need to ask, I needed to ask, I should ask, I should have asked, I have to ask, I had to ask, I can ask, I could ask, I will be able to ask, I would ask, I used to ask, I will ask, and I am going to ask.
I want to answer, I would like to answer, I wanted to answer, I need to answer, I needed to answer. I need to answer, I needed to answer, I should answer, I should have answered. I must answer, I have to answer, I had to answer, I must answer, I can answer, I could answer, I will be able to answer. I would answer, I used to answer, I will answer, I am going to answer.
I want to open. I would like to open. I wanted to open. I need to open. I needed to open. I should open. I should have opened. I have to open. I had to open. I must open. I can open. I could open. I will be able to open. I would open. I will open. I am going to open.
I want to start. I would like to start. I wanted to start. I need to start. I needed to start. I should start. I should have started. I have to start. I had to start. I must start. I can start. I could start. I will able to start. I would start. I used to start. I will start. I am going to start.
To finish, I would like to finish. I wanted to finish. I need to finish. I needed to finish. I should finish. I should have finished. I have to finish. I had to finish. I must finish. I can't. I can finish. I could finish. I will be able to finish. I would. I would finish. I used to finish. I will finish. I am going to finish.
To stop, I would like to stop. I wanted to stop. I need to stop. I needed to stop. I should stop. I should have stopped it. I had to stop. I had to stop. Must stop. I can stop. I could stop. I will be able to stop. I would stop. I used to stop. I will stop. I'm going to stop.
I want to run. I would like to run. I wanted to run. I need to run. I needed to run. I should run. I should have run. I have to run. I had to run. I must run. I can run. I could run. I will be able to run. I would run. I used to run. I will run. I am going to run.
I want to work. I would like to work. I want to work. I would like to work. I wanted to work. I need to work. I needed to work. I could work. I should have worked. I have to work. I had to work. I must work. I can work. I could work. I will be able to work. I could work. I used to work. I will work. I'm going to work.
I want to sit. I would like to sit. I wanted to sit. I need to sit. I needed to sit. I should sit. I should have sit. I should have sit. I have to sit. I had to sit. I must sit. I can sit. I could sit. I will be able to sit. I could sit. I used to sit. I will sit. I'm going to sit.
I want to stand. I would like to stand. I wanted to stand. I need to stand. I needed to stand. I should stand. I should have stand. I have to stand. I had to stand. Must stand. I can stand. I could stand. I will be able to stand. I would I would stand. I used to stand. I will stand. I am going to stand.
I want to buy, I would like to buy, I wanted to buy, I need to buy, I needed to buy, I should have bought, I have to buy, I had to buy, I must buy, I can buy, I could buy, I will be able to buy, I would buy, I used to buy, I will buy, I am going to buy.
I want to sell, I would like to sell, I wanted to sell, I need to sell, I needed to sell, I should sell, I should have sold. I have to sell, I had to sell, I must sell, I can sell, I could sell, I will able to sell, I would sell, I used to sell, I will sell, I am going to sell.
I want to pay. I would like to pay. I wanted to pay. I need to pay. I needed to pay. I should pay. I should have paid. I have to pay. I had to pay. I must pay. I can pay. I could pay. I will be able to pay. I would pay. I used to pay. I will pay. I'm going to pay.
I want to help. I would like to help. I wanted to help. I need to help. I needed to help. I should help. I should have help. I have to help. I had to help. I must help. I must help. I can help. I could help. I will be able to help. I would help. I used to help. I will help. I am going to help.
Perfect.
I want to try. I would like to try. I wanted to try. I need to try. I needed to try. I should try. I should have tried. I have to try. I had to try. I must try. I can try. I could try. I will be able to try. I would try. I used to try. I will try. I am going to try.
I want to use. I would like to use. I wanted to use. I need to use. I needed to use. I should use. I should have used. I should have used. I have to use. I had to use. I must use. I can use. I could use. I will be able to use. I would use. I will. I used to use. I will use. I am going to use.
I want to need. I want to need. I would like to need. I wanted to need. I need to need. Need. I needed to need. I should need. I should have need. I should have need. I have to need. I had to need. I must need. I can need. I could need. I will be able to need. I would would need, I used to need, I will need, I'm going to need.
I want to want. I would like to want. I wanted to want. I need to want. I needed to want. I should want. Uh, I should have wanted. I have to want. I had to want. I must want. I can want. I could want. I will be able to want. I would want. I need to want. I will want. I am going to want.
I want to love, I want to love, I would like to love, I wanted to love, I need to love, I needed to love, I should love, I should have loved, I have to love, I had to love, I must love, I can love, I could love, I will able to love, I would love, I used to love, I will love, I am going to love.
I want to hate, I would like to hate. I wanted to hate, I need to hate, I needed to hate. I should hate, I should have hate. I have to hate, I have to hate, I must hate. I can hate, I could hate, I will be able to hate. I would hate, I used to hate, I will hate, I am going to hate.
I want to think, I would like to think, I wanted to think, I need to think, I needed to think, I should have thought, I have to think, I had to think, I must think, I can think, I could think, I will be able to think, I would think, I used to think, I will think, I'm going to think.
I want to know, I would like to know, I wanted to know, I need to know, I needed to know, I should know, I should have known, I have to know, I had to know, I must know, I can know, I could know, I will be able to know, would know, I used to know, I will know, I am going to know.